Hello guys, this is how to stream CS2 on OBS. So without wasting any more time, let us jump straight into the video. So what you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna get OBS. And then once you have the application open, you're gonna go ahead and click on the plus icon right there. And then you're gonna go ahead and click on game capture. Click OK. Change the mode to capture in specific window. Then the window, you can go ahead and pick Counter-Strike 2. And there already, Counter-Strike 2 should be there. And then you'll go ahead and click OK. So you'll notice there on the screen, the game is currently being captured. So if you go into Counter-Strike, go ahead and open up the application. You'll see right there. Then you can continue your gameplay as you wish. Then if you go back into the OBS application, on the side there, you can see it says start stream. You can go ahead and start the stream. Obviously, you're gonna need to pick which streaming service you're gonna go with. You can also start recording, and it's just gonna capture all the gameplay. Then you can stop recording once you're done. So it is that quick and it is that easy to stream on OBS. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.